What the fuck is we doing?
Boy, of course, Top Monty, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a pickup. I have copped these shoes. Just a little backstory, let me just tell you. I have copped these shoes off of a website called, or an app called Depop. And I also been looking like on KICK as well, trying to find like some good shoes for a good deal. So I have actually found these shoes, paid about $200. That's what shipped because I wanted to get it here as soon as possible. So it was actually the shoes was actually $150. I paid an extra $50 to get these shoes here, shipped quick, 1 day shipping. He was like, okay, I can do that. So, well, prior to opening up the box, because I wanted to make sure that it was going to be something, I've actually made my own customized box. Like, these are some shoes, like this is like that off-white, as you can see right there. I have honestly ripped this box open and like cut it open because like the way my knife was, it was like the guy, he shipped it so close in, it wasn't had no space. So when I cut through the box, I actually cut through the box. So I cut through a box to cut through another box, if that makes sense. So these are my shoes right here that I copped off of Depop. Like I said, right here, boom. As you can see, the Jordan 6 right here. These are the Jordan 6 off / maroon. Jordan 6 retro. As you can see, it's the retro. Like I always tell you, I love these boxes like this. I love these boxes, and I probably already gave it away too. But I have copped a pair of Jordan 6 maroons with the OG box, with the OG everything, and I already cleaned these shoes off just a little bit just to get off that access, because you don't know how people's houses are. Copped this for a good price. Yes. I am going to do better. I will be doing better on these shoes as well. Honestly, these are not what I expected them to look like when they came into my collection. So I'm not honestly going to be very hyped throughout this stuff, and no, I'm not gonna give no B-roll of shoes that I honestly don't even feel for. So you guys will be getting these shoes for less than what I have actually copped these. Like I said, I paid $200 for these shoes, that's shipped included. So yeah, y'all gonna be getting these shoes. I'm gonna be throwing these shoes up on these websites to go ahead and get these shoes up out of my account. And I need these shoes going ASAP. Might pawn them, see what I can get for them. Might pawn these shoes, because honestly, this is not what I expected these shoes to look like. Like, they are beat to shits, as y'all can see. Like, look at the bottoms. They are beat. They are beat, y'all. Beat to shits. And I'm honestly not messing with these, dog. Like, the backs look nice, but like, look at that. Like, look at that, dog. Like, they look, yeah, y'all probably gonna be saying like, bro, they look clean. They are not clean, bro. They are not clean on this camera. Whatsoever, they are not clean on this camera, y'all. Like, I'm honestly not feeling these shoes. Like, when I was so excited, I even met the mailman downstairs to like, honestly, to see what these shoes was like. Did I? No. Honestly, I'm just like, dog, these shoes are beat to shits. But yeah, I mean, like, if you love buying used shoes and restoring them, let me know. We'll be giving you a good deal. I will be purchasing these shoes brand new. Like, my last two hit list pickups, them damn near things was very near dead stock. So honestly, I was thinking that it was gonna be like this. Like, when he showed the bottom, I was like, okay, that's just yellowing from like that. But honestly, just like looking at it, it look like it don't even have that much life. I'm gonna try these shoes on before I actually sell them to see like, okay, like maybe I can just keep them and then like, you know, do like a double pickup. These could just be like my beater shoes that I wear, and then just buy like another pair to absolutely have just in my collection. But yeah, these are the Jordan Maroon 6s. Woo! Yay! You know, I'm not feeling these like at all. Like I said, these are gonna probably be like my beater sneakers that I wear for the summertime. These are gonna probably like be like the highly most sneakers that I wear during the summertime, if we have a summer due to COVID. But if we do have a summer, these are gonna probably be it. And then I'm gonna probably just stack up my bread and then go buy these shoes brand new. But I have also, like I've been telling y'all, I've been copping good shoes for a good deal. And then honestly, I've been getting a lot of good, Let me just go ahead and put this back, dog, because like the more I hold these in my hand, the more pissed off I get. So let me just go ahead and just put those right there. But the more shoes that I cop for good deals, y'all gonna understand, because like I said, I check these sites every hour, every minute, every day, periodically throughout my schedule. But I'm gonna like slow back on buying shoes, and I'm gonna just like go ahead and build up my wardrobe. I have seen like a lot of people, like fashion, like gurus or like fashion people, talk about like, you know, where to get some nice sweat shorts, where to get some nice shorts, because like H&M shorts, they're cool, but they're too thick. You see what I'm saying? Like they're too thick. Like when I wear shorts, I want to feel like breeze. Like I don't want to just be like sweating. I know they call sweat shorts, like, you know, I know that's what it's called, but still, like I at least want like some thin shorts to where it's just like I'm honestly not like wearing out. So I have found like a couple sites, and I have also listened to like a couple like fashion gurus, and they were just like, yo, go here. So I'm actually going to be in the next week or so just doing a lot of pickup on some clothes. So I will be getting like some clothes, like maybe like some vintage tees, since a lot of my thrift stores are not open just yet. But honestly, once this COVID-19 is over, finally, them thrift stores are going to be crazy, because a lot of people has did a lot of their spring cleaning, and they've been trying to get out of their old clothing. So they've been trying to get that clothing out of their house. So I know these thrift stores are going to be crazy. So y'all stay tuned. The thrift store vlogs are coming back as well. We got a lot of store on this channel, you guys. But the Maroon 6s, woo, you know what we cop. May keep them, may sell them, who knows. But this your boy Top Monty. I love you guys. Can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Deuces!